Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Roblox mic. First, let's get you set up. To use voice chat, your Roblox account needs to be verified as 13 years old or older. Once that's confirmed, make sure your microphone is properly connected to your computer or mobile device. A quick check of your device's sound settings will confirm it's recognized and ready to go. This initial step is crucial for a smooth experience. Now that your microphone is ready, let's enable voice chat within Roblox itself. Head over to your account's privacy settings. You'll find a clear toggle labeled Enable Voice Chat. Simply switch this on. Before you dive in, take a moment to review the voice chat terms of service. Understanding these guidelines ensures a positive and safe experience for everyone. It's a quick but important step. With voice chat enabled, you're ready to jump into a game. Find a Roblox experience that supports this feature. Once you're in, you should see a small microphone icon above your avatar, indicating that voice chat is active. To speak, simply press and hold the V key on your keyboard. If you're on a mobile device, just tap the microphone icon. Remember to release the key or tap again when you're done talking. Sometimes things don't go perfectly. If your voice chat isn't working first, re-verify your microphone connections and confirm the Enable Voice Chat setting is still on. A stable internet connection is also key for clear audio, so check your Wi-Fi. For the best experience, consider using a headset. This significantly reduces background noise and enhances your sound quality, making your conversations much clearer for others. Happy chatting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.